Hello children, this is your moral science class. Today I am going to teach lesson 3, magical sticks. Now let us move on to the lesson children. Akbar was one of the greatest emperor of Mughal dynasty. Akbar was one of the greatest emperor of Mughal dynasty. Once upon a time, a complex case of theft was brought to his court by a man named Ramanand. Once upon a time, a complex case of theft was brought to his court by a man named Ramanand. Ramanand was a rich, flourishing businessman. Ramanand was a rich, flourishing businessman and had very big house and numerous servants. One morning when he woke up, he realized that his house had been looted. A variety of gold utensils, precious jewelry and money had been robbed from his big house. A variety of gold utensils, precious jewelry and money had been robbed from his big house. He instantly called all his workers and servants. Then he strictly asked them one by one about the theft. He wanted to know the truth whether they had robbed the valuable things. But none of them answered him properly, rather refused to tell him anything. Finding no other way, he decided to take the help of Emperor Akbar. He went to the Emperor Akbar's royal court and requested for Birbal's help. Birbal went to Ramanand's house. There he strictly asked his servants and workers about the theft. No one replied to Birbal also. Then Birbal fell in deep thought. A good idea flashed into his mind. He brought some sticks of same length and distributed the sticks among all the servants. Then he instructed, "These sticks are magical and the thief would surely be caught by tomorrow morning. The magical stick of the real thief will get longer tomorrow in the morning by 5 inches. Then he instructed all the workers and servants to keep those magical sticks with them and asked them to come back next day with their respective sticks. All these workers and servants went to their homes. The thief servant who had stolen the precious things thought seriously Foolish Birbal thinks that he would prove me a thief tomorrow morning. I will cut my magical stick by 5 inches and he will never be able to prove me a thief. Therefore, he cut his magical stick short by 5 inches. Next day, Birbal checked all the magical sticks of each worker and servant. Next day, Birbal checked all the magical sticks of each worker and servant. One of these servants who had stolen all the precious things had cut down his stick much shorter by 5 inches. Birbal declared, "This is the real thief." The businessman got highly pleased with Birbal's intelligence. The businessman got highly pleased with Birbal's intelligence. Then he questioned him how he had found out the real thief. Birbal replied, "The real thief had cut his stick beforehand short by 5 inches in the previous night, worrying that his magical stick will get longer by 5 inches. The businessman got back all his valuable items and was very pleased by Birbal's trick and wisdom. He rewarded Birbal with a lot of precious jewelry. The moral of the story is never think of stealing. The moral of the story is never think of stealing. Thank you, children.